It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place order for a laptop on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here, and asked me to place order for them for this particular laptop right here, and I decided to make a video about it. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go, you can see the product link right here. I will go ahead and click on the product link. Then I'll go ahead and click on apps. So the product will load into the app directly. Just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Here we go. So you can see my chat with this seller right here. I have discussed everything about the product with the seller. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and place order for this laptop. So for us to place order, we go ahead and click on here. Just like so. I'm paying the sum of 240 yuan to purchase this laptop right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead. And click on here to proceed with payment. Enter my payment password. Now you can see proof that the payment has been done successful. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. So I'm going to screenshot the proof of payment right here. Having made a screenshot, then I'll go back. Then you can see proof here that the product has been fully ordered. Just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to go back. Then you can see the product picture right here. So this is the laptop I just ordered for. You can see the laptop right here. So for me to see the order I just paid for, next thing I'm going to do is to go back and click on here to go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to check the order I just placed. And for me to see the order, I will go ahead and click on here. Then we have successfully placed order right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay on Xianyu for them. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu app right here. And I'll come back to WhatsApp right here. You can see the product picture right here on my WhatsApp. Then you can see all my chats with this person and the supplier. Then I'll click on here, my gallery, the proof of payment, and say payment made. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a supplier on Xianyu app, JD shopping app, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.